Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor storage solutions with the best 7x7 storage shed on the market, the AECOJOY metal storage shed. Whether you're looking to declutter your garden, organize your tools, or create a cozy haven for your furry friends, this shed has got you covered. Crafted with durability and functionality in mind, the AECOJOY metal storage shed boasts a sturdy structure made from thickened galvanized steel panels. But what sets it apart?
Let's find out. First off, let's talk security.
Equipped with lockable doors and a top-quality locking system, your tools and equipment stay safe and sound, no matter the weather.
Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a spacious interior, measuring 83.4 inches in height, perfect for even the tallest of gardeners. Say goodbye to cramped storage spaces. But wait, there's more.
Designed with a sloping roof to prevent water buildup and equipped with air vents for proper ventilation, this shed is built to withstand the elements. Versatility is the name of the game with the AECOJOY metal storage shed. Need a parking spot for your bikes or a cozy shelter for your pets? This shed has you covered. And assembly? It's a breeze. With professional wrapping, all hardware included, and 24-hour customer service, you'll have your shed up and running in no time. So, if you're in the market for the ultimate outdoor storage solution, look no further than the AECOJOY metal storage shed. It's reliable, spacious, and built to last.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy organizing!